Oh boy, here we go again. Bitcoin just had a massive move, but today I'm watching a chart that has absolutely nothing to do with Bitcoin. The US M2 money supply. And as you can see right here, on this beautiful chart, the latest reading was about 23 trillion. Damn, that's a huge number. And M2 has been climbing again. Later today, we're going to be seeing the next update on it. M2 up, money printer on, Bitcoin to the moon. That's what probably CT is going to be thinking anyway. And to be honest, I think that's a little bit too easy. Now you do see that M2 is growing, but what I actually care about is the rate of change. Is the money growth accelerating? Are we getting faster new money? Because markets don't just care about how much money exists. They care about whether liquidity is getting easier or tighter. In this case, we're taking a look now at the Federal Reserve rate, our beautiful Fed rates, cuts, hikes, that thing that everybody's talking about, right? So, and this is where the setup gets interesting. Liquidity has been improving while rates are still relatively high. Now, we do have our boy, our buddy Trumpy, who wants to cut the rates, but yeah, I mean, I understand why. They're still pretty high, right? So, for me, the really bullish combination would be money supply expanding while the cost of the capital starts falling. More liquidity, lower opportunity cost, more capital willing to move out on the risk curve. So today's M2 number isn't gonna tell me whether Bitcoin pumps tonight. That's not how monetary transmission works. But it can tell me whether the macro regime underneath BTC is continuing to improve. If money growth keeps accelerating while Bitcoin holds this breakout, I get more interested. If liquidity starts rolling over, then I question some of the narrative, oh, easy money is back. So my bias is still bullish, but I want the liquidity data to confirm what the price is already trying to tell us. So while CT watches the next BTC candle today, I'm watching the money behind it. And if you want to see actual levels I'm trading or watching, my private group on Telegram is completely free for everybody to join. You can see all the trades I'm taking, you can see everything I'm doing, you can see what I'm chatting about. So feel free to join in. The link is in the description of this video below. See you there. Peace.